back again at Welder Up Garage. Busted old RV. So here I am down here at Welder Up Garage. Check that out. Boom. They really do use that for a car hauler. You can go ahead. You really use it as a car hauler. Awesome. This thing's a monster. Pretty sick. Dang, I knew that was their truck. Oh, don't run me over. I just saw this at a dispensary. Now, you don't smoke pot, do you? Okay, good. I was just making sure. This thing is badass right here.
And they get great gas mileage.
Oh, it's my favorite motor. Sorry, I'm kind of scooping in here.
Right up in scooping in.
I am.
It's for sale right now for $56,000.
Is this a Welder Up ride? This is like a visitor, huh? This is yours? Badass, man. This thing's awesome. Look at that exhaust. It's pretty crazy. Heading inside here to Welder Up Garage. The inner sanctum. Actually, no. The employees, that's where the inner sanctum is.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over. Cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up.
That's an interesting feature right there. 57 Chevy 4-door sedan. Let's look at this car. Only got 2 doors on this one, so I don't know what happened here. They just used a 4-door to rebuild a 2-door. But I see why they left it. I like that. It's pretty awesome. I missed a burnout. You guys will see the end of it. I'm gonna play it right now. But he roasted him. I'm at the next spot today. I'm at Count's Customs. You guys know him from Counting Cars on TV. And yeah, I'm gonna go in, check out the place. I tried to go here last time when I was in Vegas, but the guy that was attending to the parking lot was like, bread truck ain't going in there. So now that I'm here again, I thought I'd try it again. And this guy that's attending the lot was much more accommodating. He got me a spot outside. I gotta walk in. Awesome. Go see what Count's up to. Sweet. So there's no filming allowed on property, so I'm breaking the rules right now, but very nice. Count's Customs is lame. So many rules. Their ass is owned by the Discovery Channel. That's a rad car right there. Let's see. I love it. I want one. This is about cooler than anything in Count's shop. I love your car, man. It's cool. I just gotta say, guys, wow. This is the first shower I've ever taken in the bread truck, and it was flipping amazing. I'm in Vegas. It's hot. I put up this shower curtain, and I just took a shower right here at the dirty step, my entryway of my step van. So I just took a shower right up front. Oh my god, I just feel so nice.